Meet the Bobs. The Bobs own a company that offers a great retirement plan, but his employees don't have the same financial education they do. The Bobs care about their employees and are concerned they are financially being left behind. In addition to not utilising their retirement plan available to them, the Bobs are worried their employees are not saving enough, building up debt, are paying too much for the wrong investment and insurance programs. The Bobs contact Investors Advantage to conduct a free financial literacy workshop at their office. The Bobs know the seminar will teach their staff how to handle debt responsibly, why they should be saving for their retirement, how to calculate how much insurance they need to protect their loved ones, and what investment options might be best for them on the company plan. Contact Investors Advantage today to set up a free financial workshop.